Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock Google Drive folder with password. So basically, if you go to your Google folder right here, there is no option that you can set a password to this. So for example, I'm going to create a new folder right here. I'm going to upload my files. And as you can see, if I'm going to tap on the share, or tap on this button right here, there is no lock or password or set the password option. However, I'm going to show you another way on how to lock your folder. So you just have to go to Google Forms and you have to click this one right here. Start with a blank form. Now you have to add the name, for example, files, but actually everything is up to you. Important files, something like that. So add the name of your file right here or folder. Now this time go to settings and then look for responses. Now set this to do not collect. And then after that, the next thing to do here is go back to your form. Add a question here like what is the password? And then you have to select from multiple choice to short answer, but you have to really select short answer right here. Tap this three dots below and then set this response validation. Here you have to select text and then here you can add your password. So let's just say password 5678. So be careful with this one, do not forget this. And then if someone is wrong, then you can add here wrong, try again, or please try again, incorrect, please try again, something like that. Okay, and then after that, tap on settings, go to your folder, tap on the share icon right here. And then you have to set this to everyone or anyone with this link from restricted. And then copy the link, go back to Google Form, go to settings. Here you have to look for presentation, then confirmation message, edit. Here you can add the message correct. Here's the link. So you can paste the link right here. And then after that, tap on save. And then you can now publish this one and send this to a specific person, client, coworker. So as you can see, if I'm going to try this one, for example, if someone wants to open this, but of course the password is wrong, he or she will see this notification. But if the password is correct, then he or she can probably open the file. And basically, that's how to lock Google Drive folder with password. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.